Hello and welcome to iInventory Pro. This video is going to talk a little bit about some troubleshooting tips that you may find handy. Okay, so here we are. We're simply on the main website iInventorypro.com and we're over here on the FAQ page. All right, so we have a help topic here. If you scroll down in the FAQs, which are the frequently asked questions, we have a troubleshooting help topic, and you can click on this to expand it or minimize it. So here we've listed 6 different things that might help you if there's any troubleshooting, if you run into any difficulty. So first of all, if possible, try to save any changes you may have made within the program first. So if you're on a screen, go ahead and click the save button and save your changes. Okay. You know, sometimes depending on your computer or the web browser that you're using, you may need to just kind of move over to a different software screen. So if I jump over to the software and I'm on the reporting screen here, maybe I want to go back over to my inventory and then go ahead and jump into an inventory item like so. So kind of leave the screen you're on and then come back to it and see if you can complete your task. Okay, so let's head back over to the FAQs. The third thing, maybe your session got corrupted or expired in your browser, and all you need to do is log out of the program and then log back in or clear your history and log back into the system. Sometimes with web browsers, things are stored in like a session state, and if you're using the system, you leave for a few hours and you come back later in the day and you still had that software screen up, it lost connectivity back to the web server, and you just need to log out, log back into the system, and you're good and reestablished again. Okay, but also maybe your cache is full that's on your web browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, and so forth. So sometimes periodically it's a good idea to also consider clearing your cache. And we've put a little link here for you with some instructions. So if you click on this link, it's going to open up a new web browser tab, and this is going to show you how to refresh your browser's cache, how to clear your cache, depending on what browser that you use. So it lists all the major web browsers here, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer. And if you click on one of these, it's going to take you right to the step-by-step instructions. So in this case, if you're using Google Chrome, step 1 is to go over and click this menu to the right of the address bar. Then you want to go ahead and choose settings, and then you want to go to the history, and then there's a button here called clear browsing history, and then you can also choose to empty the cache. All right, and then you clear your browsing data. So it kind of walks you through how to clear your cache depending on what web browser that you're using. So I'll go ahead and close that for right now and go back to our FAQs. Okay. Number 4, another thing that you may want to consider, if you're using your computer and you have lots and lots of programs or windows open, maybe that's causing your computer to operate at its maximum capacity and slow down. Maybe the CPU usage is all the way, pegged at 100%, and sometimes it's good to clear out some of those other programs that you're not using or you don't need open right now, because maybe they're consuming a lot of memory, which are slowing things down and causing your web browser not to function at 100%. Okay, so anytime you can always log back into the iInventory Pro program, and in most cases that will correct your issue. If you're still stuck and need help, you're always welcome to contact support at iInventory Pro, and you can email us and let us know if you have any questions, and then we can kind of point you in the right direction. Okay, so hopefully those troubleshooting tips will help you out in case you get stuck by following those, but you're also welcome to reach out and drop us an email at support@iinventorypro.com. Thank you.